Welcome to this Backup Assist video, backing up OneDrive for Business with Backup Assist 365. I'm Craig with the Client Success Team. Let's get started. This video explains how to back up OneDrive business tenants using a backup account. This account must be set up in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with privileges to access the OneDrive accounts, and it should only be used for the backup task. So to create a OneDrive business backup task, open BackupAssist 365 and select Create New from the left menu. Click the OneDrive for Business tile. Next, you'll name your task. Provide the task's name and type as follows. Enter a name into the field provided, then click Multi-User or Single User. Tick to save and proceed to the next step. Here you'll log in. This step is used to provide credentials for the backup account that BackupAssist 365 will use to access and back up the OneDrive tenants. The account must be set up in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with privileges to access the OneDrive accounts, and it should only be used for the backup task. For detailed guidance, you can read our Backup User Login for BackupAssist 365 guide on the BackupAssist 365 Guides page on our website. Next, we'll log into OneDrive. Select the web browser that you want to use, click Launch Browser to log in. Type the account's username and password into the fields provided. Now you can close the web browser after you see your sign-in was successful message. Save and proceed to the next step. Now you can choose the users. If you're doing a multi-user backup, select the OneDrive tenants that are to be backed up. If you selected single user backup, you will go from step 5 directly to the final step. Now you choose what to download. This step is used to select the files and folders that you wish to back up. Once you've done that, you'll be able to choose encryption. If you do want to encrypt this backup, select Store the Backups Encrypted and enter a password into the fields provided. You will be prompted to provide this password if you perform a restore using this backup. The next option is versioning. By default, BackupAssist 365 creates a mirror copy of your files. You can also maintain copies of deleted files and different versions of modified files by selecting Keep Past Versions of Files. Keeping copies of deleted files and older versions of existing files can dramatically increase the amount of storage required. Use the data retention options to limit the amount of historical data being backed up. Next, you will choose the destination for your backups. Where you store your backups is an important consideration. The location should be secure and have room for the backups to grow as more data is backed up. To set the backup destination, enter a local folder or network folder location into the fields provided. Network folder allows you to use a network share or NAS device and may require the credentials of an account with access to that folder. An important note, while a network share is convenient, if it's not set up with adequate security measures, it can pose a data breach risk. To create a best practice network destination, read our Backing Up to Network Share on the BackupAssist 365 Guides page on our website. Now you can schedule your backups. It's best to run the backup task when users are not using their data, so by default the task will start at midnight. You can use the maximum runtime options to stop the backup task from running at a time when users are accessing their data. To set up your backup schedule, choose a schedule type to set how often the backup task will run, set a start time for the task, and then save and proceed to the next step. The final step is save and run. So you can save your task and it will run at the scheduled time, or you can choose to save and run to save the task and run it immediately. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to back up OneDrive Business using BackupAssist 365. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. If you should require any additional assistance, please contact us, Client Success, at sales@backupassist.com. You can also reach our tech support team at support@backupassist.com, or if you'd prefer to speak with us personally, the number is 812-206-1691. Thank you. We'll see you next time.